Action words for beginners. Waving.
Hello.
The man is waving. Jumping. The man is jumping. Working. She's working. Dancing. She's dancing. Walking. She's walking. Cooking. She's cooking. Writing. Writing. Eating. The boy is eating. Driving. The man is driving.